Now it's very yummy and it also tastes like macaroni. Let me have a taste. It does taste like macaroni. Hi guys, here is our sausage macaroni. It does look like a pattern and it also looks very tasty, just like macaroni. Nice smell.
And it's marinated with coriander and mint leaves, and we have put a lemon. It's very easy and quick dish which we can give it for the kids. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's just like macaroni.
It's just like macaroni, but it's sausage, chicken sausage, and the exact chicken minced.
Here now we are going to open the plate. It just looks like macaroni. Spicy, yeah.
But it's not a macaroni, it's a sausage. Cheese sausage.
Yeah, but it looks like macaroni.
Yeah.
Now we are just going to close it for a few hours and we will show you after
if you like the
done.
lemon taste, you can pour like a few lemon juice, right?
Yeah, now we are going to close it and see you there when it's done.
Yeah.
Okay. Spread some mozzarella cheese. See, this is what's the pizza cheese. Look. And also we just put in it so we could just do.
Yeah. So we can put it.
Macaronis.
Yeah, we can put some mozzarella cheese over there. Okay, so we can put some mozzarella cheese and let it be closed for 5 to 10 minutes so that these cheeses get melted.
Like macaroni.
Special menu today. So this one is with some chicken which is boiled with salt and drinking water and just pepper, and after that some onions, then some capsicum, chili. I have selected green and this red capsicum, and some this is sausage, chicken sausage, which is available in market. And this is the sauce which I made, homemade sauce. This one it's made up of onions, tomatoes, garlic. I just boiled and minced it, and also I have used the red chili flakes. Okay, this is some mint leaves and this one coriander leaves. So with these ingredients I'm giving a recipe which is very easy to prepare and which is my own experiment. So I have put the oil already. Then after that you have to put some onions. You can use, so if you like more onions you can add more. I like more onions, so I am adding like a 4 to 5 hands full big onion sliced into small pieces. And after that you have to sort it out. Sorting is very easy. If you can you can sort it as it is turning to the golden brown color. Okay, then after 5 to 10 minutes it will change to slight brown. If you want to increase the fasten of the cooking, you can add a little bit salt into it. So I've added little salt and I'm just making it salted. Just to do it for 5 to 10 minutes, you will get a brown shade. Once you reach the brown shade, you can put all your capsicums, you can put your chilies, you can put your whatever you like. You can put like garlic if you like, ginger, but here I'm not using ginger and garlic because I don't like all these things. And here we have we have to do the mincing. We have to cut the chicken into small crunches so that it will be very easy to eat, and as well as there will be no bones. It's like a boneless dish because we are using the boneless sausage. Once into golden brown, you can put all your vegetables what you like into it. and just have it saute for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add your salt after some time, after it's getting sorted out. It have get a little bit softened, because capsicum, when it is not boiled properly, it will be very hard for the kids. So this is specially made for kids. So I have reduced the chili, just 2 or 3 chilies only I have to put, and it's not that much hot chilies. It's a normal chili, green normal chili without that much hot. So I just want to saute it out for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I will add some powders and the homemade sauce. I'm just adding a little bit turmeric powder. Okay, little bit only need to add, and after that a small spoon of tablespoon, 1 tablespoon is not there, half tablespoon of chili, because I have tasted it, it has enough salt, so no need to add more salt. And I'm just sauteing it to get it well dressed all over the vegetables, because it's a, we can say it's a vegetable rich food, plus it's rich in proteins because of the meats. Okay, so I'm just reducing the gas. Then after that I will tell you how to put the meat. I have just added up my homemade sauce. This sauce is very easy, that I have explained before. So this is just a mixture of onion, garlic and tomatoes, just boiled and crushed with red flakes of chili, and so I have added it, the homemade sauce. I have added up all the chicken crunches, which is cutted into small pieces. I prefer to have this piece, so it's very easy for the kids to crunch it. Then we have to we have to do the sorting as well, so that all the masalas what we put and the sausage sauce which we have deposited will be in the evenly distributed. If you find it's less, you can add the homemade sauce little bit. This homemade sauce, no artificial colors, nothing is added into it, and we have to saute it evenly for 5 to 10 minutes. But you should remember that these crunches should get boiled quickly, as it is a sausage. It will be very easy for, it will take hardly, it's all the sausages are purely mingled or clinked with these powders and the sauces which I kept, so it's evenly distributed here, so that it will get, let it cook for 5 to I think 15 minutes is required. So let's see after 10 to 15 minutes. Just close it and let it cooked. Okay, let it cooked, and we put the light gas volume very less or in the medium. Okay, just cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that we have to just open in alternative manner and just see how it is going. Let's open this one and see how much it is cooked. Okay, then we have to add some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Okay, then again close the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. I've just opened it and added the chicken which we have minced and kept it before, and this is the chicken which is boiled with pepper, salt and drinking water. So we will add into it because it will give a special flavor to this dish. 10 minutes, you can see the fumes coming out of it.
Spread some mozzarella cheese. See, this is what's the pizza cheese. Look, and also we just put in it, so we could just do.
Yeah. So we can put it.
Macaronis.
Yeah, we can put some mozzarella cheese over there. Okay, so we can put some mozzarella cheese and let it be closed for 5 to 10 minutes so that these cheeses get melted.
Like macaronis. Here now we are going to open the plate. It just looks like a macaroni. Spicy, yeah.
But it's not a macaroni, it's a sausage. Cheese sausage.
Yeah, but it looks like macaroni.
Yeah.
Now we are just going to close it for a few hours and we will show you
and
after
if you like the
done.
lemon taste, you can pour like a few lemon juice, right?
Yeah, now we are going to close it and see you there when it's done.
Yeah.
Hi guys, here is our sausage macaroni. It does look like a pattern and it also looks very tasty, just like macaroni. Nice smell.
And it's marinated with coriander and mint leaves, and we have put a lemon. It's very easy and quick dish which we can give it for the kids. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's just like macaroni.
It's just like macaroni, but it's sausage, chicken sausage, and the exact chicken minced.
Also, now it's very yummy and it also tastes like macaroni. Let me have a taste. It does taste like macaroni.